main purpose of this video and this particular song is I want to help you with hand independence. I know it's something a lot of people, especially when you're new to the handpan, it's something you struggle with. It's something that is like, it just takes your head a little bit of time to get the understanding of how to do it. But doing these simple loops, and that's all it is, again, a reminder, a lot of handpan songs, they're just loops, a lot of music in general. So when we're practicing these kind of tunes, it's just going to familiarize yourself with being able to play one hand doing one thing and the other hand doing the other thing. And the cool thing, again, with this little tune is that we can develop it and we can start hitting other notes, which I'll show you. So as we go through the video, we'll keep it simple. I'll break down each component, but then I'll show you a different way to actually start experimenting and make it your own. Because again, that's the beauty of the handpan, especially with these kind of handpans. This is a 10-note D chord. Most of you are probably using a D chord. If you're using something similar but it's in a different scale, you can also do this. Just experiment with your own pan as well and have a go and see what it sounds like. How's it going, everyone? Dan Handpan Man here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and you're new to learning handpan, welcome along. Make sure that you are subscribed. Give the video a like, it pushes it to more people. Hype it as well, there's that new thing. Give it a little hype. It's just gonna boost the algorithm. So the more people are gonna be able to see the videos who are trying to learn the handpan so we can spread it far and wide. All right, let's get into it. So we're gonna keep this slow. Now, some of you might think this sounds a little bit similar to another very, very common handpan song, which goes like this. That kind of format, and I've done another video teaching that kind of method as well, which is a cool, fun handpan groove to play. The difference with this one is it's in a slightly different time signature. Now, I'm not going to go into the detail because there's so many different opinions about what time signature it is, but basically it's in a 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 kind of groove rather than a 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So just a quick comparison so that you can hear the difference for what I'm talking about. The one that we're going to do today, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. The other one, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Just to help you understand a little bit of what I'm talking about there. We'll keep it slow, so don't worry at the moment if it's sounding fast. As always, we're going to slow it down, and the idea is you do it at your own pace. Now, all we're going to concentrate on is two sections, basically. We've got the beat, and we've got the melody, or some people call it the rhythm, all right? Whatever your musical terminology is, it's fine. The rhythm part, which is the dun 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 dun, we're going to literally focus on 3 notes. Easy. And there's basically 2 separate sequences with 1 slight variation. Now, the first part of that sequence goes like this. We start on the ding, and then we hit number 1 and number 3. And then we repeat that pattern. So you can almost look at it, it's like a little triangle or a little piece of the pie. Like I've said before, I kind of like sometimes just thinking about the handpan being a nice pretty pattern, and you can make little patterns with it. So if you're thinking about it and you don't know music theory, you don't care about that kind of stuff, you're just basically playing a part of the pie. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. And what you're going to notice is I'm actually using my finger, this one here, and my thumb. Now you can go like this, 1 2 3 1 2 3, or like this. As always, just do what is comfortable for you. I'm going to encourage you to basically use your finger and your thumb as well, because as you start to get better and you start to try and explore different songs on the handpan, it's going to be easy for you if you start getting comfortable going back and forward with your finger and your thumb, your finger and your thumb. So that's the first part of the sequence, okay? So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and we're going to do that 4 times. Then the only variation is instead of hitting this note, so instead of hitting number 1, we're going to go ding, 2, 3. Ding, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to use your one hand to do this. You might be tempted to try and use both hands, but what I'm going to suggest is use one hand, because that's when we're going to leave the second hand free to do the little melody on top. And we're going to keep the melody simple to start with. As you can hear, I'm just focusing on 3 notes going up the handpan. We'll get to that in a moment. Now I do have a beginner course as well. If you want to dive deeper and you want me to break this down into really simple bite-sized modules to help you explore your creativity a little bit more, you can check that out on onehumanrhythm.com. All right, it's literally $100 and that will cover everything you need to know. Step 1, just practice that little bit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 4 times each. Now again, if you want to do it slower, then do it slower. All right, so practice that as the starting point, okay? Now pause this video if you need to just keep going over that bit and getting familiar with it. Now we're going to move on to the melody. Now we'll play it on its own to start with, and it's really easy. We're literally just going. So the interesting thing with this melody is you're playing 3 notes, but you're actually just going to count it in 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just going back and forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the easiest way to do it. And now play that on its own, or even if you're ready, which I definitely would suggest, just try and play it together straight away, because all you're going to do, if you notice what I'm doing here, I'm hitting each note at the same time. Every time I hit the ding, I'm hitting that note. I'll slow it down. Okay, we don't need to overcomplicate it. You're probably thinking that's easy, and it really is. It doesn't need to be difficult, and that's the beauty with the handpan. It's just using certain techniques, jazzing it up, and you can make it sound pretty cool. So practice that, do it repetitively. The key with a lot of these songs, again, is you just got to do it over and over again so that it becomes easy, so you don't have to think. All right, you've heard me talk about this many, many times, because this is the thing, especially if you're new to music, whatever your level is, the best music is going to come when you don't think, when you're not concentrating so much. And that's when you start to try and experiment and be a little bit more freestyle, you can allow whatever you're naming it, the creative force that governs the entire universe, look at yourself as a vessel that everything's just going to suddenly flow through you, and suddenly you're not thinking, and your limbs are moving, and the sounds are coming. And it's also just a really good way to channel whatever you're feeling in the moment. Feeling annoyed, you're feeling angry, you're feeling happy, you're feeling sad, put it in the music. If you want to upgrade your handpan, if you want to get something a little bit more advanced, maybe you're using a cheap one from Temu, or maybe you've just not even got a handpan, you're watching a video and you're like, don't know why I'm watching a video, but I like the sound of a handpan. We do custom-made premium handpans. onehumanrhythm.com. Check that out. Send me a message. I'll help guide you. Okay, I can even jump on a call with you. No worries at all. Now the last bit. This is where I want you to allow a little bit of creative freedom, basically. So now that you've got yourself familiar with this pattern, so you're doing that over and over again, that's easy. Instead of hitting these 3 notes now, what I want you to do is explore the other notes, basically. Look at what else is on the handpan and don't think too much about it. Don't worry about whether it's good, bad, or whatever. Don't judge it, just play. as an example. So all I'm doing there is doing the exact same thing. I'm hitting the ding and I'm hitting a note, but I'm not hitting these 3 notes. I'm hitting that note or that note or that note or whatever note. It really doesn't matter. The idea is to just experiment a little bit more and push yourself a little bit out of just having to know exactly what to do. It's the art of experimentation, okay? The art of play. The art of play, which is so important with anything, especially music, because that is where we're going to really learn and allow our full creative potential to flow through. But that's it for today. Let me know how you got on in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you give the video a like. Share this with other people as well. I'll see you on the next video.